Hey champs! Social Champs Calendar feature allows you to get a bird's eye view of all your social media scheduling activity. In this guide, we will discuss all the things Social Champs Calendar is capable of doing. When you first log in, you will land on the content dashboard by default. Navigate to the left panel and click the calendar button. All your connected social accounts can be seen in the left panel. Select the social accounts whose activity you would like to look into. All your posts for the selected accounts will show up in the calendar. The grayed out tiles are the posts that have already been published. The white tiles are posts that are scheduled to be published. At the top of the calendar, you have the option to see just your scheduled post by clicking Future, your published post by clicking Send, and your unpublished or failed posts by clicking Failed. You can also navigate between months by clicking the left and right arrows next to the mentioned month. From the top right drop-down, you have the option to filter using post types. The bin icon gives you the option to delete all scheduled posts, with the exception of forever and recycled posts. You can select the published post from the calendar and click the repost button. A pop-up window will appear if you would like to make any customizations. Once done, hit the Schedule button. You can even drag and drop published posts to a new date for a quick reschedule. You can select the scheduled post from the calendar to either make edits to it, delete it, or post it now. You can even create posts by clicking the plus button at the bottom right of every white tile. That's it, champs. Now you know how to use Social Champs Calendar feature.